Hello everyone, welcome back to WayKen Rapid manufacturing channel. I'm Lingo, and today we're going to talk about something super important in low volume production. Why it's crucial to align known shipment standards with customers before production starts. When it comes to prototypes or small batch production, what customers care about most is precision and consistency. If shipment standards aren't clearly defined, issues can easily arise at the time of delivery. We had a case where a customer received their parts and found that the appearance didn't meet their expectations. As a result, the parts failed inspection and had to be reworked. This not only increased the costs, but also delayed the delivery schedule, which hurt the overall experience. That's why confirming shipment standards in advance isn't just a routine step. It helps prevent rework, delays, and complaints, ensuring the whole project runs smoothly. So, how do we align on shipment standards? What exactly needs to be discussed? First, sampling standards need to be clear. In small batch production, it's not always practical to inspect every single part, but we still need a reasonable sampling plan. At WayKen, we typically follow the NIL/STD 105E standard, which determines the sample size based on batch quantity. Customers can find the specific details on our website or in our quotes. Of course, if a customer has their own sampling requirements, we are happy to follow those to ensure the inspection results meet expectations. Secondly, inspection criteria must be well defined. Each product has different requirements for appearance, dimensions, and functionality. What aspects of the appearance are most critical? What are the customer's key concerns? Which dimensions need strict control? These questions must be addressed. For example, many customers have high expectations for appearance, but acceptable appearance can be subjective. Which surfaces are considered critical? Which are secondary? What level of imperfections is acceptable? If these details aren't clarified upfront, disagreements could arise during final inspection. The same applies to dimensional accuracy. A drawing may contain many dimensions, but not all of them carry the same level of importance. Some dimensions are critical for assembly, while others are just reference dimensions. If we focus on different dimensions than the customer does in their final inspection, it could lead to failed acceptance, disputes, or even costly rework. That's why aligning on key dimensions and ensuring both sides use the same measurement methods is crucial to avoid discrepancies. Assembly requirements should never be overlooked. Some parts don't function on their own. They need to fit perfectly with other components. For example, we once worked on a camera housing project where one of the parts had an M12 multiply 0.75 thread that needed to fit with another component. Even the slightest deviation in the thread could cause assembly issues. Either it wouldn't screw in properly or it would be too loose. To avoid this, the customer sent us the mating components, allowing us to test the fit before production. Also, aligning on inspection methods and tools is crucial. The same dimension can give different results depending on the measuring equipment used. If both parties are using different methods, measurement discrepancies are likely to occur. I hope today's discussion gave you some useful insights. If you have any questions about low volume production, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the WayKen channel for more updates. See you in the next video.